Well, good afternoon. It is Tuesday. I think it's the 25th of November. Yeah. Let's see here. Try to make that better. I just came out here to take a little walk around. I'm glad to be back in San Diego from the desert. It was very, very dry out there and kind of cold. And I missed the water. But it was a wonderful weekend. And I got to spend time with family. Everyone got along, which is good. And we ate a lot of really good food. We had our Thanksgiving this last weekend. One of them, anyways. We're going to eat more this coming Thursday. So that was that back there. That's the San Diego Bay, as I've shown you before, but I'm in a different area right now. I'm coming up here to this is the Bali Hai restaurant. There's a doggy who wants to be right in the middle, wants to be standing in the sun. Hello. You've lost your person. Anyways, so this is all along. There's downtown San Diego. And this is the Bali Hai, kind of a well-known restaurant. They're known for their Mai Tais. I have actually never eaten there, but I did go to a celebration of life there about 7 years ago. So that's an odd little piece of information. Just looking all the way around. I am on Shelter Island, and there's a little tiki man getting into the Bali Hai. So I'm just going to walk over here and look at one of the marinas. Take a little walk, see how all of you are doing. Woo! See? There's not much here. This is just a little marina office and I guess some shops. Wonder if we can get through here. Let's see if we can sneak through. Yep, there we are. That was kind of a windy little tunnel there. So I think this is called maybe it's the Bali Hai Marina. Oh, wait. Oh, I was wrong. It's the Shelter Cove Marina. Oops. There we go, Shelter Cove Marina. And there's the dock. I'm not going to be able to get down the dock. Probably it's locked. But there are many, many boats and many, many yachts down here. It's very peaceful. I was told years ago that the difference between a boat and a yacht is that when you get on a boat, it rocks, right? But when you get on a yacht, it doesn't move. Same as a ship, right? They don't move. But there's a lot of water sports here. It's November, so, and people will probably be out this weekend because it looks like the weather for the Thanksgiving weekend is going to be really nice. And so people likely will be taking their boats out. I don't know how much like kayaking and stuff, but let's see if we can get back around here. pretty little windy. Shoot. Oh, it's going to be too windy. Well, I hope you can hear me. If you can't hear me, I'll just have to mute this out. Huh? I don't know. All right. Well, I think that's all I've really got right now. I just wanted to say hi and show you a little bit of this part of Shelter Island and all the pretty boats. I hope you had a great weekend, and say hi in the comments. Love to hear from you. All right, talk to you later. Love ya. Bye.